Hello and welcome to our Qualcomm Developer Network Tech Talk. Today we are showcasing an IoT connectivity solution, and specifically we're going to show you a demo using our Qualcomm Home Hub 100 platform. It utilizes our Qualcomm QCA4020 multi-mode SoC, offering Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Low Energy, and 802.15.4 based technologies, including Zigbee and Thread. In just a moment, Rajan Mistry, staff engineer with Qualcomm Technologies, will walk you through the demo and show you how to use voice commands using the QCA4020 to control a smart bulb, smart lock, and smoke detector via Bluetooth Low Energy. Rajan, take it away.
Thank you, John. Before we jump into the demo, let's take a quick look at different components that were used. First and foremost, we have the Home Hub 100. That's based on the QCA4020 development kit. This is a dev kit for the tri-mode connectivity SoC that John just talked about. The dev kit also has a speech input processor from Connexent. It's a 32-bit DSP that supports wake on voice, full duplex AEC, and far-field noise suppression. It uses I2C, I2S, and GPIOs to interface with the underlying QCA4020. There's also a microphone and a speaker connected to interface with a user. In terms of software, you need two major pieces to get the demo working. First is the SDK for the QCA4020, and second is the sample app for the Alexa implementation. You can find both of these on Qualcomm.com under software for QCA4020. A couple of other hardware pieces that you will see in the demo are Alexa-enabled smart lock and Alexa-enabled smart plug that's connected to a simple light bulb. Once we get the demo working on the dev kit, it's basically going to talk to Alexa voice services over Wi-Fi, and the user can use voice commands to connect and control to the smart lock and the smart plug. Having looked at the outline, let's jump into the demo and see it in action.
Hey Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Hey Alexa, switch off the light.
Okay.
Hey Alexa, unlock the door.
What's your voice code for door?
0000.
Unlocking. Hang on. The door is unlocked.
Hey Alexa, is the door locked?
Checking. Hang on. The door is unlocked.
Hey Alexa, lock the door.
Locking. Hang on. The door is locked.
Thanks, Rajan. If you would like more details on our Home Hub platform, be sure to check out the product pages at developer.qualcomm.com. And thank you for watching our Qualcomm Developer Network Tech Talk.